All right, so these are all the different insert components that we've built through all these videos so far. So we have the component holder here, we've got the dumpster, the tray for the component holder. This is the coin drawer that goes into the card holder itself. And then we have the card tray, which is one of the game pieces along with the dumpster, and the card tray lid. So when this is all getting reassembled, or I guess for component storage, you have all your different discard ingredients that fit in the actual card tray itself, along with the different colored trackers that go in these different cells here. So when you're putting this thing away, you put these little retainers on the top. They just fit right in those notches here. And what this does is just prevents the cards from falling out of the tray when it's in the actual tray lid. So as the game gets shifted around, nothing falls out. So this then will slide with all the components in it right into the tray lid. I'll set that one aside right now. You have all your coins in this drawer here. They're going to slide in here. So you've got the cards stacked actually vertical. So for the first release of the game, I believe you'll be able to fit all the cards in one of the cavities here. I wouldn't recommend splitting them just so they don't tip over. As more cards are added through expansions and whatnot, and start feeding in and dividing them out in the two separate cavities here and here. The coins slide in, so then that gets put aside for later. This is where you're going to put all your different stands, and is there additional components? I think that's all of it for that one. So the different character stands are going to go there. On this one here, so turn it around so you can actually see the cavities. But your chefs are going to all insert into here, and then the little dials are going to go vertically into here. The dumpster, which is going to contain all the trash and be used actually in the gameplay. So you can put the trash in there. That's just going to slide back in here, just like that. And then the stand tray is just going to go right on top of these 4 notches here that coincide with the notch outs on the tray. So it just drops right in. It retains it in all orientations there. So then when you're actually putting this away in the game, or in the box, you would have the card holder, or what are we calling this? The card holder, the components tray off to the side here, and then the actual card tray and card lid would fill in the remainder gap. You want to have it in this orientation here so that your board isn't going to lay perfectly across and just sit on top of this full run here. It'll retain the stands themselves, and it'll come across and just rest on top of this support over on this side. And then this is where all the different restaurant cards and instructions and whatnot will actually fit as well. So that's it.